everyone, it's me, Lori, your self-appointed positivity princess. I'm here spreading positivity and happiness. I am so happy that you guys are here watching this video because it means you're doing the 30-day happiness challenge. We are on day 2 now. If you are new and you're just joining us, click here for the full instructions, instructional video on this 30-day happiness challenge. There's no cost to you. There's nothing to sign up for. You literally just make a comment and let me know. The best way to do it is to join our Facebook group so that I can see you there and you can easily contribute in our little feed there, but it's not necessary. Okay, so today for the day 2, it's called the positive twist. So in the positive twist, what this is all about is taking a situation in life or scenario or something that may be perceived as negative or bad and being able to see it from a different perspective. This is easier said than done, and also it's easier when circumstances are better or when things that happen might be perceived as negative, but you know, some things that happen to us are worse than other things, right? Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to list 5 scenarios below, and they're very short, simple little things, and I just want you to pick one and tell me how you could see a positive in that. If you'd rather pick something that happened to you throughout the day that was negative, so maybe you spilled something, but you learned never to put the cup on the edge of the table anymore, or your kid spilled something and they learned not to do that. That's a positive. Yes, you had to clean it up, but at the same time, it's not going to happen in the future with a different kind of liquid like wine. Imagine spilling that. The bottom line is I want you to either pick one of the scenarios below and say how you can see a positive out of it, like how do you twist it and see it from a positive perspective, or you can make up your own scenario of something that happened to you. Okay, so that's going to be your challenge for today. Guys, I know you can do this. At the end of this 30 days, you'll have a list of all these different strategies that work for you. So yesterday we defined what our happiness is. Today we're using the positive twist, and tomorrow will be something different. And as you go through and see how these work for you, you'll have your own little regimen of things like when you're feeling down or blue or sad, you'll be able to flip that and make yourself feel better very easily. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it at that. Mwah. I love you, have a great day, and be positive.